Welcome to NxGclouds, part 2 of Grep command examples. Please visit our previous video for part 1. Today, we are covering 10 more real-time Grep examples to help you master text searching. Example 1. Search for lines that do not contain error. The V flag inverts the match, displaying only lines that do not contain error. Useful for filtering out unwanted log messages. Command, grep v error, demo files, file1 dex. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 2. Display only matching parts of a line. The O flag shows only the matched part of each line, ignoring surrounding text. Command, grep O success. Demo files, file2.log. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 3. Show matched words with context, 2 lines before and after. The C flag provides context lines before and after the match, making it easier to understand surrounding information. Command, grep C2, warning, demo yet files file2.log. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 4. Highlight matches in color. The SOM color auto option highlights matching words, improving readability in terminal output. Command, grep color auto failed, demo to files file1.txt. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 5. Search multiple words or condition. The EE flag allows extended regex patterns, enabling OR conditions like error or warning. Command, grep E error warning, demo od files file1.txt. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 6. Count total matches across files. The ER flag searches recursively and EC counts matches per file, helping with log analysis. Command, grep RC error demo files. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 7. List only file names with matches. The L flag displays file names containing matches instead of printing the matching lines. Command, grep L failed, demo files.log. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 8. Ignore binary files when searching. The I flag prevents searching in binary files, speeding up searches in mixed content directories. Command, grep idata demo files like. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 9. Use a pattern file for multiple searches. The JORF flag reads multiple search terms from a file, making it efficient for large pattern sets. Command, grep fpatterns txt demo files file1.txt. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 10. Match whole words only. The W flag ensures only whole words are matched, preventing partial word matches like warnings. Command, grep W warning, demo files file2.log. Execute the command and observe the output.